Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this easy, delicious chicken lo mein. Starting off, I have some chicken thighs that I've already washed and trimmed off some of the extra fat, and I'm cutting them into half-inch strips. I'm using dark meat, it's more flavorful, but if you prefer chicken breast, you can use that instead. I'm adding my seasonings. Check the description box for full details of all the ingredients used. I don't like biting down on ginger, so I always blend or grate it. For convenience, I have a little jar of pureed ginger that I keep in my fridge because I like to add it to my tea in the mornings, as well as garlic for medicinal purposes. So I'm just using some from each jar to season my chicken. You can always chop or grate yours if you wish. The green seasoning that I'm adding, I do have a video that I will link above as well as in the description. I'm adding a little bit of browning to give it a little bit more color. The soy sauce can give it color as well, but I prefer to use less of the soy sauce because it is high in sodium. I am aware that there is low sodium soy sauce, but for some reason I cannot find it where I live. After seasoning, I'm going to set my chicken aside and allow it to marinate while I move on to prepping my vegetables. For the sauce, I'm starting off with some homemade chicken stock. If you're interested in the video, I will link it above as well as in the description. Of course, you can use store-bought as well. To it, I'm going to add some more of my soy sauce and then some sesame oil, cornstarch, and honey, which I added later because I forgot to add it here. As mentioned earlier, I try to monitor my sodium intake, which is why I limit the sauces. However, if you have different sauces that you would like to add, you can go ahead and add them. I'm using instant noodles for this recipe because that is the only thing I could find. I'm going to literally give them a minute to cook. Drain and then run some cool water over them to stop the cooking process immediately. I don't want to overcook them, and this process is known as shocking. My stove is on medium-high, and to my skillet I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Of course, any oil of your preference can be used. Once that heats up, my chicken goes in. I'm going to saute that for about 2 minutes. Followed by my carrots. They take the longest to cook out of all the vegetables, so they go in first. And I'm going to give that a minute. And make sure to keep stirring so nothing sticks or burn. If necessary, reduce the flame. After my carrots, in goes my sweet peppers or bell pepper, and stir fry about 30 seconds in between each addition of the rest of the vegetables. Noodles and baby corn go in last because they are already cooked, and I'm adding the sauce at the same time and then give it another minute or two for all the flavors to come together. If your sauce dries out too quickly, you can add a little bit more stock or water, but not too much. And remember to taste and adjust according to your preference. And then lastly, turn the flame off and then add the scallions or green onions. And there you have it, an easy, delicious, healthier chicken lo mein. I have another lo mein video that you can check out. I will link it above as well as in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Join the family on the journey to the first 1,000 subscribers. Follow me on all my other socials, which are also linked in the description. If you try the recipe, feel free to tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_ and follow me as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.